Have you ever wondered how we shifted from simply enjoying a story to deeply understanding the mechanics of its construction, moving beyond the author's life or historical context? This fascinating journey into how literature works on its own terms began with a pivotal movement. Russian formalist criticism emerged in the tumultuous years leading up to and immediately following the Russian Revolution, specifically between 1915 and the 1930s. This groundbreaking approach decisively moved literary analysis away from traditional biographical or sociological interpretations, focusing instead on the intrinsic qualities of the text itself. The core reason for its emergence was a desire to establish literary study as a scientific discipline. Instead of asking what a work means in relation to the author or society, formalists asked how it means. They sought to identify the specific literary devices and techniques that make a text artful and distinct from ordinary language. Key groups like the OPOYZ, or Society for the Study of Poetic Language, and the Moscow Linguistic Circle were at the forefront, believing that the unique form of a work created its artistic effect, a concept they termed literariness. This means that when you analyze a poem or a novel through a formalist lens, you are primarily concerned with its structure, its style, its narrative techniques, and its use of language. You might examine how a specific rhyme scheme contributes to the poem's mood, or how a particular narrative point of view shapes the reader's understanding of events. The focus is squarely on the words on the page and their arrangement, rather than external factors. A foundational concept they explored was defamiliarization, or estrangement, which describes how literary language makes the familiar seem new and strange, forcing us to perceive it afresh. They meticulously analyzed how poetic and narrative forms disrupt our automatic perceptions, transforming everyday language into a compelling artistic experience. This attention to the mechanics of aesthetic effect was revolutionary, laying groundwork for future critical schools. Understanding the origins of Russian formalism helps us appreciate why modern literary studies often prioritize close reading and textual analysis. It taught us to look inside the text for its power and meaning, providing us with invaluable tools to dissect and truly understand the artistry of literature, making us more insightful and engaged readers.